Hey everyone, my name is Josh Kroenke. Yeah, just like the owner of the Denver Nuggets. But I'm not into basketball or management, and I'm definitely not a billionaire. What I do know is cars, and that's exactly what I talk about on this channel. Alright, enough with the intro. Let's get into today's topic.
Updated, June 19, 2024, 11:24 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Published, May 19, 2023, 15:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It is common for us to see vehicles as a whole, but in reality, they are a set of integrated parts and systems that collaborate with each other to generate motion. Among the parts of a car, the focal point is represented by the engine, which is the fundamental part in charge of producing the energy needed to move the rest of the elements over a given surface. However, in addition to movement, each and every part of a car also contributes in one way or another to the safety and comfort of the occupants, both the driver and passengers. What are the parts of a car and what are they for? Cars are made up of many parts and pieces of different sizes, each with its own functions, from generating movement to covering the basic needs of the driver and passengers inside the cabin. Each of them is described below. 1. Engine. In every vehicle, the engine represents the fundamental part because it is in charge of fulfilling the main function, to generate energy to transform it into movement. To do so, engines consume fuel, which is subjected to a combustion process to start the engine running. Currently, there are several types of engines, some of which work with alternative fuels other than gasoline, such as diesel and electricity. Whatever the type, engines tend to be composed of a large number of elements that ensure their smooth operation, including the alternator, or the fuel, oil and water pumps, which are designed to keep it lubricated and prevent it from overheating. 2. Chassis. 5. Gearbox. The gearbox, whether manual or automatic, is responsible for managing the different gears or speeds at which an engine can go through a complex system of gears. When the driver makes use of it, he can modify the energy produced and increase or decrease the speed of the vehicle, as desired. 6. Suspension. The suspension is designed to considerably reduce the stiffness of a vehicle. It is a set of elements as shock absorbers, springs, among others, that absorb a large part of the movement, vibrations, and shocks to which the whole structure of the vehicle is subjected while driving, reducing the risk that the different parts that compose it end up separating. 9. Brakes. There are several types of brakes on the market, but the function of all of them is the same, to slow down or stop the vehicle completely, as required. The brakes are a system composed of several elements that the driver operates through a pedal inside the vehicle, which is used simultaneously with the accelerator to manage speed. 10. Battery. The battery is a part that stores chemical energy to transform it into electrical energy, which is used by several vehicle systems that do not depend on the energy generated by the engine, the starter motor, internal and external lights, radio, windshield wipers, among others. Tires are responsible for the movement of the vehicle on various surfaces. There are many types of tires, some adapted to certain vehicles and others designed to cope with various environments. 12. Exhaust. This is a system that works through a valve responsible for disposing of the gases resulting from the combustion process. Such gases are expelled through a long pipe connected to the engine. Nowadays, exhaust systems have evolved to become quieter and cleaner. Parts of a car. In conclusion, understanding the various parts of a car and their functions is essential for anyone looking to appreciate how vehicles operate. From the engine that powers the car to the brakes that ensure safety, each component plays a crucial role in the overall performance and reliability of the vehicle. By familiarizing yourself with these parts, you can make more informed decisions about maintenance and repairs, ultimately enhancing your driving experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has helped you gain a clearer insight into the fascinating world of automotive engineering.